Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin held its ground above $66,000 during the Asian morning trade following the Fed's hawkish interest rate projections. The US Central Bank left rates unchanged and predicted just one reduction this year, which sent Bitcoin lower. Bitcoin was trading at $66,708, down by 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was changing hands at $3,472, down by 2.43% in a similar time frame. While Curve Finance is currently facing severe liquidation threats totaling approximately $140 million. This was primarily triggered by Michael Ekorov's substantial activity involving $141 million across multiple protocols. Well, the past 24 hours have seen CRV plummet by around 24%, reaching a trading value of $0.27. The recent downturn in CRV is the steepest in over a year, sparking widespread fear, uncertainty, and doubt among investors. In another news, blockchain startup Terraform Labs has announced it is ceasing operations following the settlement with SEC. The global crypto market cap is $2.42 trillion, a 2.51% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $73.82 billion, which makes a 17.03% decrease. The total volume in DeFi is currently $5.72 billion, 7.75% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $69.08 billion, which is 93.58% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 54.34%, an increase of 0.26% over the day. MicroStrategy, led by Chief Michael Saylor, is set to raise $500 million to purchase more Bitcoin from institutional buyers. The company plans to offer $500 million in convertible senior notes due 2032 in a private offering to qualified institutional buyers. As of May 1, 2024, MicroStrategy holded about 214,400 BTC worth around $7.5 billion. Saylor, the firm's chief, is highly bullish on BTC and has never missed an opportunity to buy more BTC. The firm's BTC was purchased at an average price of $35,158. CoinCodex data suggests that Bitcoin might rally over the next few weeks, with the platform predicting it will hit a new all-time high of $76,176 on June 16, 2024. The platform also expects BTC to hit a high of $88,096 on June 7, 2024, a growth of nearly 30% from its current price levels. The company's investment in BTC has never gone to waste, and the US inflation rate in May was lower than expected, potentially aiding BTC's price. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance has started accepting premium payments through the RBI Central Bank digital currency, the digital rupee. The insurer has integrated CBDC payments using the UPI intent feature, allowing seamless UPI payments to the digital rupee on its payment platform. The secure, efficient, and interoperable method of transacting digitally provides policyholders with another mode of making premium payments. The insurer is also the first to offer UPI autopay via QR code, allowing customers to set up auto debit instructions through UPI applications linked to their bank accounts. With no charges for setting up the UPI autopay facility, the insurer has partnered with the National Payment Corporation of India to introduce this innovative solution. Within days of its launch, 4,800 policyholders have opted for this innovative solution. The insurance company also offers over 24 services to its WhatsApp platform with end-to-end encryption ensuring transaction security. Terraform Labs, led by CEO Chris Amani, has announced that the company will cease operations following a $4.47 billion settlement with US SEC. The company plans to sell key projects within the Terra ecosystem and give the community control of Terra Luna tokens down $0.54. The decision to dissolve follows the SEC's $4.47 billion settlement regarding the collapse of algorithmic stablecoin UST in 2022, which includes a $3.58 billion disgorgement and a civil penalty of $420 million. Amani confirmed the firm's intent to wind down operations and burn in unvested and vested holdings. He also highlighted plans for a community proposal to burn remaining vested tokens and the need for community-led governance of Terra and Terra Classic blockchains. The decision to hand the reins to the community elicited mixed reactions from the community, with some expressing optimism and others critiquing past leadership. The $4.47 billion SEC settlement sets a significant regulatory precedent for actions taken in the crypto space and highlights the need for regulatory compliance and governance. The Terra and LUNC blockchain prices have fallen by 5% and 2% within the last 24 hours. Nigeria has maintained its lead in Google searches for Bitcoin despite a crackdown that has led to the shutdown of leading global exchanges. The West African country has been a digital asset haven for years, ranking first for P2P exchange trading volume last year and second for overall adoption in a chain analysis study. Well, Google Trends show that Bitcoin searches were highest in the southern state of Delta, with neighboring Edo, Anambra, and Bayelsa states in the top 5. Nigerians' continued interest in digital assets contracts with government's anti-Bitcoin stance. Despite President Bola Tinubu's pledges to revive the industry through favorable policies, the government has clamped down even harder with shutdowns of offshore exchanges and a looming P2P ban. Bitcoin magazine has revealed that top 80 institutional holders of Bitcoin ETFs, indicating a significant increase in institutional interest in the crypto market. Notable institutions include Millennium Management LLC, Horizon Kinetics LLC, and ARK Investment Management LLC. These investments show strong institutional backing, potentially influencing the stability and growth of cryptocurrency market. This confidence in cryptocurrencies as an asset class attracts more investors who have been wary of them. This surge in institutional interest in Bitcoin ETFs could serve as a foundation for detailed analysis aimed at investors, financial analysts, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Zimbabwe is seeking public input to develop a crypto regulatory framework following a global trend to assess and understand the crypto landscape. The Southern African nation has established a committee to consult with virtual asset ecosystem operators and is calling on all cryptocurrency service providers to provide comments by June 26. Zimbabwe has faced currency turmoil since 2000 due to hyperinflation, dropping the local dollar in 2009 and reintroducing the Zimbabwe dollar in 2019. In April 2024, the government scrapped the local dollar and replaced it with the Zimbabwe gold, backed by 2.5 tons of gold and around $100 million in foreign currencies. In between, the government introduced physical gold coins and digital ones to curb inflation and support the local tender. US President Joe Biden's campaign team is discussing the possibility of accepting crypto donations through the Coinbase commerce platform, aiming to appeal to the crypto community. This development is particularly interesting given that the SEC sued Coinbase last year, accusing it of acting as an unregistered broker since 2019. The SEC also accused Coinbase of violating securities rules by offering a staking program and unregistered trading services for certain crypto assets. Now, this move follows another crypto-related campaign from President Biden, which began engaging with crypto industry players in the late May as part of his re-election campaign. Itaú Unibanco, Brazil's largest bank, has announced its intention to open cryptocurrency trading services to its 60 million registered customers. The bank conducted a trial period to gauge customer interest before committing to widespread rollout. A limited number of customers were given access to the bank's cryptocurrency services during the trial, and weekly surveys were conducted to monitor participants' feelings. Well, the trial received overwhelming positive feedback, leading to the full implementation of the service. The head of digital assets at Itaú Unibanco, Guto Antunes, expressed that acceptance for the cryptocurrency trading service was extremely favorable. The bank also released a separate mobile application alongside the native mobile application, which has been downloaded on over 3.5 million devices, including iOS and Android. The number of cryptocurrency users in Brazil is expected to increase to 11 million by 2024, indicating a massive upward trend in the cryptocurrency industry. Pleasure, a crypto collective that collects culturally relevant objects, has announced that it will soon begin selling encrypted on-chain copies of Wu-Tang Clan's Once Upon a Time in Shaolin, the one-of-a-kind record acquired in 2021 for $4 million. The encrypted album will be made available via a dedicated website for $1, and the NFTs will live on Base, The rising Ethereum Layer 2 scaling network from Coinbase and their distribution will be handled by Pleasure in collaboration with Privy, Crossmint, and Holograph. Pleasure members who helped negotiate the deal traced its significance back a decade ago when the Wu-Tang Clan sold a single copy of an album they produced in secret for 6 years as a means of protesting what they saw as the broken model of valuing music in an increasingly digital world. Blockchain tech appears to many Pleasure members as the answer to that question, as it allows ownership back to the digital world and makes music valuable again. That's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.